Ready to ditch the same old plastic and dive into a world of stylish plaid? First up, the printing technique. Grab a clear plastic sheet, some acrylic paints in your favorite plaid colors and using classic red, green, and navy and a sponge. Dab the first color, let's say ray, onto the sponge and carefully apply it to the plastic in a series of horizontal stripes. Remember, consistency is key for that authentic plaid look. Now, switch to your second color, light green, using a clean sponge. Repeat the process, but this time create vertical stripes that intersect with the red. See how the intersecting stripes are already starting to form that classic plaid pattern. Let it dry completely. Feeling more adventurous? Try layering. Cut thin strips of colored plastic film, like acetate, or even repurposed shopping bags in different colors. Carefully arrange these strips, alternating colors and directions. To build your plaid, a little glue helps keep everything in place. There you have it, 2 simple ways to transform ordinary plastic into a plaid masterpiece. Get creative. Experiment with colors and materials. And don't forget to share your plaid plastic creations with #plasticdesign and #plaidcrafts.